Namaskar. I am Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I am welcoming all of you for our daily weather briefing program on today, that is 22nd September 2021. Now, in this slide, we are seeing the synoptic features of today. In the left hand side, we can easily see the low pressure area persist over the southeast, the Jharkhand and neighborhood, and one cyclonic circulation over West Rajasthan and another cyclonic circulation over Myanmar coast. And monsoon trough, western end is south of its normal position and eastern end near normal position. And one trough is also there from this cyclonic circulation associated to low pressure area over South Jharkhand to Telangana across interior Odisha. And the right hand side picture shows the cloud convection over the country by the satellite. Now we are talking about the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. In the left hand side we can see the all entire India was experienced rainfall past 24 hours where some widespread rainfall activity, somewhere fairly widespread or somewhere scattered to isolated rainfall activity past 24 hours. And the right hand side shows the monsoon activity. The red patches shows weak monsoon activity over East India and Kerala, coastal Karnataka, past 24 hours. Now we are talking about the rainfall activity. Heavy to very heavy rainfall observed over West Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Gujarat region, Konkan, and the heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Saurashtra, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Rayalaseema और वेस्ट मध्य प्रदेश, ईस्ट राजस्थान, तेलंगाना and Tamil Nadu. And the sub chief amount is also there as Konkan received 17 centimeter, Vidarbha 14 centimeter, West Rajasthan 13 centimeter, Andaman Nicobar 10 centimeter, Gangetic West Bengal 11 centimeter, Sub Himalayan West Bengal 10 centimeter, East Rajasthan 11 centimeter, Jharkhand 9, West Madhya Pradesh 10 centimeter, Madhya Maharashtra 8 centimeter, Marathwada 11 centimeter, Rayalaseema 7 centimeter, and Tamil Nadu 11 centimeter. Himachal Pradesh also experienced heavy rainfall, which was maximum 7 centimeter past 24 hours. Now we are talking about the weather warning for today. Due to the low which is lies over Jharkhand and neighborhood and the monsoon trough and one cyclonic circulation over East Rajasthan, easterly wind is likely to prevail over the entire country during next 24 hours, which gives good rainfall amount during next 24 hours. We are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gujarat and Konkan and heavy rainfall entire country except Kerala, coastal and South Interior Karnataka or CAP and Assam Meghalaya or Northeast Assam Meghalaya experience heavy, but Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and NMT is not likely to experience any heavy rainfall during next 24 hours. And now we are talking about thunderstorm and lightning. Entire country is likely to experience thunderstorm and lightning during next 24 hours. And for fishermen warning, especially Andaman Sea and adjacent East Central Bay, to advise to fisher not to venture into the sea in these particular areas during next 24 hours. And now we are talking about the weather warning for next 5 days as the low pressure area over Jharkhand, which is likely to weaken during next 24 hours, and its remnant cyclonic circulation is likely to move across North Chhattisgarh, North MP, which is likely to give good activity over central and adjoining West India during next 3 days and decrease thereafter. And one cyclone circulation over Myanmar, which is likely to move west-northwestward and likely to, under its influence, a low will be formed over the bay, which gives fresh rainfall activity over East India, especially over Odisha from 25th and over GWB Gangeti West Bengal from 26th. With this, thunderstorm activity is also over this region likely to see during next 4-5 days. Now, for latest update, you can visit us our website mausam.imd.gov.in and many social platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, where we are available round the clock. And for mobile, latest update and warning you can see by mobile using our app as Mausam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app. Thank you very much.